Guys, have you ever wished your car's infotainment could do more? Well, today we're diving into something that just might make your driving experience a whole lot better. We're talking about the new OTTOCAST Mini wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Now, this little device promises to bring wireless media connectivity to your car. Now, I know that modern cars have got a lot of this tech already, right? But what about older cars and modern cars that you're constrained by having to be wired up? Well, stick around while we take a look at the OTTOCAST Mini, a small but powerful way to transport your motorized media into the future. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the OTTOCAST Mini. Now, if you don't know OTTOCAST, well, they make a ton of different in-car media solutions, ranging from self-contained media screens to in-car and on-bike solutions. And this OTTOCAST Mini is a very small and discreet offering that delivers full size and functionality. Now, guys, before we get into it, OTTOCAST sent me this mini dongle to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, open up the box and we've got some instructions. And then we've actually got a couple of USB-A to USB-C adapters. Now, we've got a straight one and one that's angled to ensure that you've got the perfect way to plug this little gadget in, depending on what type of port you have in your car and also the space you have to install it. Then guys, we have the dongle itself. Now, looking around at this, you can see it's tiny and discreet. In fact, it's not much bigger than an SD card. And like I said, that as this is very discreet, it can be installed virtually anywhere. There are no controls or other ports on it, apart from a disconnect button, which basically does exactly that. It disconnects it from Bluetooth, so you can easily revert back to your factory kit, or it reconnects it. So that's pretty cool. No more plugging in and unplugging needed, just a simple button press. Now, you might be wondering, will this work with my car? Well, you know what? That's a great question because all cars are kind of a little bit different. Now, the OTTOCAST adapter is compatible with 98% of cars on the road. That's right, whether you're driving a new model or an older one, chances are it's going to work for you. Now, let's talk about how exactly it does work. Well, you simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port, then connect it to your phone wirelessly. From there, your car screen becomes an extension of your phone, so you can use navigation, music, you can make calls, whatever. It's all there at your fingertips. But here's where it gets really cool. You don't even need to touch anything. You can just say, hey, SIRI, can't say the word because it's going to jump into life, or okay, Google, I can say that one because I don't have an Android phone with me right now. But whatever that command is to your voice assistant, you know, you give your command and your hands can be kept on the steering wheel, keeping it all safe. Now, if you want to navigate to home, just ask. If you want to call your mum, just say the word. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your car. Now, guys, let's address a common concern. I mean, many people worry that adding new tech will mess with their car's controls. Well, not with this adapter. You see, you can use all of the controls and buttons and knobs and whatever on your car just like normal. All that happens is the adapter just adds to whatever your car can do and it doesn't take anything away. Now, you might be thinking, this is great, but is it hard to set up? Well, you know what? Not at all. You just plug it in, pair it up with your phone, and that's it. You're good to go. From then on, it connects automatically every time you start your car. No fuss. Now, let's talk about some real world uses. I mean, imagine you're on a road trip. You need directions, but you don't want to take your hands off the wheel. just ask Siri, you know the one, or Google to navigate for you. Or maybe you're stuck in traffic and you want to listen to some music. Well, you know what? Just ask and it's done. It's all about making your drive safer and more enjoyable. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, well, my car's already got a screen and you know what, why do I need this, right? Well, think of it this way. This adapter brings the best of your phone to your car screen. It's like upgrading your car's tech without buying a new car. So guys, there you have it. The OTTOCAST Mini wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. It's a simple way to bring your car into the wireless age. And guys, at a price of around £79 at the time of this video going live, this is an absolute bargain to give your car a wireless brain upgrade. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to OTTOCAST for sending me this cool and useful piece of tech to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.